Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's take a look at the straightforward process of sharing your project on Murf AI. It's simpler than you might think. To start, log in into your Murf AI account. Once you are logged in and have chosen a project you want to share, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you will spot a share button located next to the export button. Go ahead and click on it. Within this menu, you have two options, Share Project and Share Preview. Let's explore both. If you're looking to share the entire project, you can select Share Project. If you have a workspace, simply add the email address or names of the individuals within your workspace. Alternatively, you can copy the project link and send it directly to anyone you wish. Now, if you'd like to share just a preview of your project, click on Share Preview. Create a share link and you are all set. This link can be sent to anyone you want to share the preview with. With these simple steps, you are ready to share your creative endeavors with the world. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.